So Astro Gaming has finally decided to upgrade their mic quality by utilizing what Blue Microphones has to offer. What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Island Wolf, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Astro Gaming Blue Icepop Microphone for the Astro A40 headset. This accessory for your Astro A40 headset will offer you rich detailed sound because it has a 9mm condenser microphone. It is designed and tuned for the Astro A40 headset and is made by Blue Microphone. It has a voice focused corduroy unidirectional microphone. Now, corduroy comes straight forward. It's just gonna be talking like this. For example, pull this out. You're talking and just pick up right here. It's not gonna pick up any of the background noise behind you, and also is unidirectional, meaning it's only one direction, which is probably going to be in front. It also has a built-in pop filter which will banish the harsh P's and B's. So that noise right there and that noise right there. I'm sorry, earphone users, I apologize, but that's why you get a pop filter, so it doesn't bother your teammates or your audience if you're live streaming, or just, you know, yourself if you can hear yourself. I don't know. Also works for all generations of the Astro A40 headset, and it is $49.99, so basically $50. I do recommend it if you own an Astro A40 headset, just because of the fact that it will take your headset sound, your voice sound, to the next level. If you're live streaming with your headset or using it as a microphone for YouTube videos or anything like that, I've owned Blue microphones. My first microphone when I started doing YouTube was a Blue Snowball Ice. Had good sound quality, and then I upgraded to a Blue Yeti, which had even better sound quality. So Blue microphones make some amazing microphones that make your voice sound amazing. And you can also probably tweak it in the Astro Gaming application, where you can adjust your mic volume and your mic levels and everything like that. So highly recommend it, even if you don't live stream or make YouTube videos, just for your teammates' sake, because sometimes the microphones on your headset don't sound as good as you think they do, or you could just hear every background noise, the trains in the background, or your dog barking, your mom making some tea, anything. Yeah, I highly recommend if you have the money, and if you are that, especially if you're using your headset to make content, it will elevate your voice and make you sound a little bit better, because Blue microphones do have a great quality. Highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Found it informative. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let me know if you're gonna pick this up. I don't have a pair of Astro A40s, by the way. I have a pair of Astro A50s. Cannot remove the microphone from this, which kind of sucks, and I'm kind of upset about that. Astro, you guys should have it for every headset. Every headset should be made with Blue microphone technology now, since Logitech owns you. So everything should get upgraded. Maybe that's what they plan on doing. If they are, you know, I'm gonna talk about it and let you guys know. But if you say it, just know I said it here. Astro will probably be upgrading all their microphone qualities and incorporating Blue technology. This is just my speculation. This is not official, but I'm just speculating, because now, since they are owned by Logitech, I assume they're going to be upgrading their stuff, because some of their stuff is kind of old. Anyways, guys, I've been talking too much. This video is supposed to be short. It let you guys know the information. If you guys enjoyed the video, again, leave a like, subscribe button right here, video over here, and I'm out. Peace.